guys! Welcome back to part 2 of our mother-daughter bonding trip in Kuala Lumpur. Today, we're kicking things off with an amazing breakfast at a trendy toast cafe that never runs out of lines, followed by a visit to the iconic Merdeka Square. And by the end of this vlog, I'll be sharing the best spot in KL to grab the most affordable and delicious Malaysian instant coffee. Stay with me because this is one gem you'll want to bring home. So yun guys, bibili muna kami ng food. Hindi pa ako nakakasuklay. Yan, dito kami sa 4th floor hallway. Maliit lang naman siya na hotel. But yung location niya ay napaka-sentro. Lakad tayo. This is Starbucks. So, yan. And then, tabi-tabi na dito yan, guys. So, yan. Paglabas mo, may Baker's Cottage. Yan ang toast box. Toast maker pala. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Sobrang dami dito. Kaya gusto ko rin ang location din nung hinanap ko. Toast maker. Eto, Turkish ice cream. So, dito kayo bibili ng Turkish ice cream. ATM. Juice. Yung koi tea, at saka ito, 7-Eleven. Tapos guys, ang Don Donki ay dito lang. Sa may lot 10 na yun, Donki na. Oh. May money changer. So, bibili muna kami dito sa toast maker. That's Pavilion, guys. And that's the monorail, guys. May monorail dyan. Ito yung station. I'll show you the station. So, that's the station. Yan na, guys. No? Nakita nyo yung sign ng donkey? That's the donkey sign. So, yan yung katabi ng aming hotel. Ansa Hotel. So, dito tayo. So, yan yung station. This is Don Donki. Yan. Diyan lang siya sa lot 10. And this is the 7-Eleven. So, ayan na ulit. Ikot lang tayo. So, that's Starbucks. This is 7-Eleven. Mamaya, mag 7-Eleven tayo dyan. And this is Toast Maker. Diba? Lapit. Tapos, eto guys, yung aming hotel. This is our hotel. That's Ansa. That's the hotel. Ganda-ganda ng location. And then there's Sephora over there. I'll show you. There's Sephora. And there's pharmacy. Diba? Guys, the best. Tanang location, guys. So, yan. Talaga, highly suggest ko sa inyo ang Ansa. If you're looking for a budget hotel. Hindi mo nga siya budget. It's a 4-star hotel, actually. And it's right in the center of the city. And you will really
sugar? Okay, sige po. Ilang pong sugar kayo? Okay, thank you. Ako po, 1 lang. Ito po yung cup. Lips. Yan, kakain muna kami dito. Ito yung harap namin. Yan, guys. Sarap din ang kape. Guys, inom muna tayo ng ating medicines and vitamins. Yan. Tayo nitong Immune Pro. So yun lang. Today, wala tayong itinerary, no, pagpunta natin dito sa Malaysia. Kasi medyo naikot ko na rin yung ibang mga touristy places. So this is a chill itinerary, and ang kasama ko ay ang aking mother na senior citizen. So we're going to limit the places na pupuntahan natin. Definitely hindi tayo magba-Batu Caves kasi ang Batu Caves masakit sa tuhod yan, so hindi tayo dyan. And hindi rin advisable to go to Batu Caves pagka ganitong maulan, baka madulas yung mga steps. Isa pala yun sa mga reasons ba't hindi rin kami makagala. Kasi umuulan. Yung dito, subway, I don't think it's as advanced, no, as the subway or the train station sa Bangkok or sa Hong Kong, Korea, or Singapore. Although meron dyang monorail, no. So today, wala talagang specific na itinerary. Depende on the weather. So kung hindi maulan, we will go to Merdeka Square. And then pupunta tayo sa Chinatown, sa Petaling Street. Doon tayo magla-lunch. And then we will go to Central Market para mamili ng mga pasalubong. Doon murang bumili ng mga pasalubong, lalo na yung mga coffee. Na-compare ko na yung mga coffee doon sa Old Town, yan, yung mga alley, cafe. Mura talaga sa Central Market compared sa airport. So, kahit sa airport, tax-free, duty-free, mas mura pa rin sa Central Market. So, doon tayo pupunta. So, that's like hanggang lunch. Whatever is okay with the weather, yun ang ating gagawin sa hapon. Kung maulan naman, walang problema dahil ang location nito ay puro malls. So, ito ang ANSA na sa Lot 10. It's a mall. Banda dito lang ng konti, Fahrenheit. Sa kabila, pavilion. Yung pavilion, connected yan by, anong tawag dito? May daan yan kung sa Bangkok may R-Walk, parang may ganun din ang pavilion. Connected siya sa Surya KLCC. So yun, kung umuulan, mag-mall tayo. Yan, naka-grab kami. We're going to Merdeka Square. Pharmacy. Hi guys, so andito kami ngayon sa Merdeka Square. At nag-grab na lang kami papunta dito. 14 ringgit lang yon. So roughly 200 pesos yung grab namin. So yan, itutour ko kayo dito sa Merdeka Square. Napakainit dito ngayon. Kahapon ay paulan. Old government printing office. Pero sarado siya. Merdeka Square. Sana, kung parang kahapon na umuulan, masarap maglakad dito. Yung hindi naman umuulan, yung gloomy lang. Sarap sana maglakad dito. Guys, after dito, maglalakad naman tayo going to Central Market. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung papunta sa Central Market from Merdeka Square. From Merdeka Square, papunta sa Central Market, pag naglakad kayo, madadaanan nyo to, the River of Life. The history of Kuala Lumpur begins here at the River of Life. So guys, yan, lakad lang kayo from River of Life. Dire-diretso lang, sandali lang, makakarating na kayo dito. Ito yung sign nyo to turn right na. Going to Central Market. Okay? So yan, lakad lang tayo. Tapos dito, turn right. Here. Okay? Ayan. Yung may asul na yon dito sa left side, yan na yung Central Market. So guys, isa din sa popular dito yung Petaling Street. Kung pupunta naman kayo doon, dito yung daan nyo. Mga 200 meters yon from Central Market. So, pag ganun, pag ganun. Magnets, guys, mga bags and mugs. Kung customizable kaya to, parang customizable. City badge. That's popular. Drinks and desserts. Manis. Dito kami bumili nung pati mga nuts. Tsaka kape. Ayan, okay. Freebie almond nut. Tikman natin itong free na almond daw. Harap. Guys, dito kami bumibili ng coffee. Ilang beses na kaya po? Ilang beses na kami pupunta dito to buy coffee. I got an Ali Cafe. Kasi gustuhan niya ng mother-in-law ko daw may tongkat Ali. Ito naman sa bahay ko. Sa mga baby sa bahay. Bumila ako ng Penang white coffee para sa amin. Saka Ali ko. And then, I'm also getting this Colombian mocha. Kasi iba yung sugar niya.
I give you last
24. Okay. Thank you. Discount.
Times 7.
168. Okay. Guys, babalik muna kami sa hotel ulit kasi sakit ang tiyan ni mother. So, sakit ang tiyan sa latte nung umaga. Wait lang.
I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Abangan nyo yung susunod na vlog for the continuation of our mother-daughter adventure here in Kuala Lumpur. In my next vlog, I'll take you to Jalan Alor Food Street, and then pupunta rin tayo sa Pavilion and Surya KLCC, and then sa gabi, we'll go shopping sa Don Don Donki, Kuala Lumpur. So there, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. We already reached 4,000 watch hours, and subscribers na lang ang kulang so that we can monetize my small YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!